Before you commit to buying Contentmuse, there are some key things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down 12 essential points that could help you make an informed decision. We'll also compare it with other generative AI tools on the market, so you get a complete picture before making your choice. Let's get started. First thing, Contentmuse offers a range of features aimed at automating online content creation. Unlike other AI tools that focus solely on content generation, Contentmuse also includes functionalities like review acquisition and appointment scheduling, making it a more comprehensive tool for business growth. But if you're just looking for content creation alone, there are other tools that might be more specialized. Next thing, Contentmuse promises simplicity and efficiency. However, the platform might feel a bit too simplistic for larger businesses with more complex needs. Some competitors offer deeper customization options, so if you're looking for something with advanced features like API integrations or in-depth analytics, other tools might serve you better. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Contentmuse offers a 7-day free trial with no commitments. This is a great way to test it out, but when it comes to pricing tiers, it's important to note that some competitors provide more scalable options based on your business size. Contentmuse can be a bit more rigid when it comes to flexibility for growing businesses. Next, let's talk about customer support. Contentmuse does a good job with support channels, but it can't quite match up to the around-the-clock customer support and dedicated account managers offered by some of its bigger competitors. If you rely heavily on support, you might want to look elsewhere. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that Contentmuse is tailored to businesses in Malta. This makes it a perfect fit for local entrepreneurs. But if you're running a global business or need multi-language support, you may find other tools more suitable for broader needs. Now, the sixth thing you'll notice is Contentmuse's clean interface. The user experience is intuitive, which makes it easy for even non-tech savvy users to navigate. However, this simplicity may come at the cost of some powerful features available in other software platforms that have a steeper learning curve. Next, the seventh thing is automation. Contentmuse automates a variety of tasks, including missed call follow-ups and invoicing. This is a real plus if you're a small to medium-sized business, but for larger teams or enterprises, automation might not be as robust as tools that specialize specifically in complex workflows. The eighth thing is the customization options. Contentmuse does allow for some degree of personalization, but when compared to competitors that let you tailor almost every aspect of the software, you might find Contentmuse lacking if you need something highly tailored to your business. Now let's talk about the ninth thing, scalability. Contentmuse works well for small and medium businesses, but as your business grows, you may start to notice limitations when it comes to handling large-scale operations. Some competitors can scale with your business more smoothly. The 10th thing is integration. Contentmuse integrates with popular platforms, but if you're running a more niche tech stack, you might find that it doesn't integrate with everything you need. Competitors may have more extensive integration libraries, especially if you use tools outside of the typical CRM and appointment scheduling services. The 11th thing to know is that Contentmuse offers a simple onboarding process. However, if you're expecting hands-on training or custom onboarding services, you might be disappointed. Some competitors offer more in-depth onboarding options, which could be a crucial deciding factor for larger teams. Finally, the 12th thing you should consider is its future growth potential. Contentmuse is constantly adding new features, but if you're looking for something that's already fully evolved, you may find competitors with more established feature sets. However, Contentmuse's focus on simplicity and efficiency might be exactly what some businesses need. So, is Contentmuse a good option? Absolutely. It's a great choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a simple, efficient tool. But if you're looking for something with more flexibility and scalability, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might be the perfect fit for your business.